Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, Memorial Day, May 27th. And the first thing we'll look at is a surface weather depiction. You can see low pressure moving into the Great Basin, northern Great Basin from the southern Great Basin during the day today. This is going to spread showers, and this is saying mixed precipitation. Well, if there is light snow, it will be occurring at night, normally after midnight, and at elevations above 8,500 feet. So it won't make a difference on too many of the passes unless they are ultra high. But mostly it'll be rain and thunderstorms be today. Out of the next 7 days, this is the most likely day to get hit by a thunderstorm, with probably our greatest coverage in the next week occurring today. So we'll start out here. You can see it's actually likely this morning for some, at least starting out with some showers in the eastern Magic Valley, the southern end of the Snake River Plain, and then in all the mountain areas except for the central Idaho mountains. But you can see by the afternoon everybody is covered, and in excess of 80% in some locations, especially to the east and to the south. And that would be in the afternoon, thunderstorms as well. Here's what the winds are doing. There are some breezy conditions coming off the mountains in this northerly flow, but it's mostly limited to Clark County and portions of Jefferson County, as you see here. The high temperatures today, not too much difference from today. Slightly warmer, perhaps. Pocatello getting up to 61 degrees. And even places like Stanley, where it's a little bit clearer in the morning, so they get a little bit more sunshine, 63. And the evening, continued showers and thunderstorms. You see some places in excess of 90%, especially down near the Utah border. But this should, after midnight, tail off considerably, with the exception of, again, the Utah border area, where it remains likely to what we call categorical, which is above 75%. And you can see the winds here could be strong in Lemhi County, but even this northwest wind, or northeast wind rather, coming through the Snake River Plain, that's kind of breezy for this time period late at night. And you see it continues here. And overnight lows, with the cloud cover still staying quite mild, especially in the lower elevations in the eastern Magic Valley. Otherwise 30s and 40s. Very few locations getting below freeze, as indicated by the purple. Okay, you can see the low hasn't moved much. It's just moved into southwest Wyoming. We're still getting showers and thunderstorms. Well, you can see it has sort of moved out, especially the northern half of our area near the Montana border. You can see that evidenced here for the morning precipitation threat, just a chance, mostly in the southern highlands. And in the afternoon, about the same place, very little chance on our northern border. But it does spread up into the Wood River Valley, and it does become more likely, especially in the Bear River Basin. And you can see it is more windy on Tuesday afternoon here, some 20 to 30 miles an hour, and that would be sustained winds. And it could be, that would mean gusts to near 40 possible in portions of the Snake River Plain. And maximum temperatures, you can see in spite of the cold winds out of the north, we are warming up, and that's because of the reduced sky cover. Will be in the middle 60s for most of the Snake River Plain, and even Stanley getting to 64. Here you can see the thunderstorms waning here to just a slight chance, maybe chance at the Utah border for the evening on Tuesday, and then late night pretty much is gone, with the exception of the Bear Lake Basin, where there's still a slight chance of some shower activity at this point after midnight. And you can see the wind still pretty breezy and out of the northeast, basically throughout Tuesday night. Temperatures a little bit colder than it was the previous night, with reduced cloud cover at northeast wind. Here's Wednesday. We're basically limited to just some showers and thunderstorms, mostly in our extreme western side of our area. You can see that reflected in the threat here the chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon really doesn't develop until the afternoon here, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. is really limited to portions of Custer County and the upper higher elevations of Blaine County, and then Cache and Twin Falls here, and just a slight chance here along the Wyoming border. And you see the winds continue to be out of the northeast, and temperatures really struggling to get. There's a slow warming trend here, but we're still not hitting the 70s. Low 70s would be about average in the Snake River Plain for this time of year. And here you can see it totally disappears here by 6 p.m. Just very slight chances in some of those same locations. And overnight lows a little bit cooler, but still some cloud cover around, keeping it mild in the southwest corner. The outlook for Thursday and Thursday night is a chance of showers in the mountains, basically, slight chance of showers and thunderstorms elsewhere. And then they return for Friday night, Saturday, and Saturday night. It's now more likely in the central Idaho mountains and in the eastern highlands, and a chance of showers and thunderstorms for the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and the southern highlands. And you can see, though, temperatures about the same, maybe cooling a little bit in the Snake River Plain. And then Sunday, it's back to a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the central Idaho mountains, and a slight chance for the Snake River Plain areas. And you can see a warming trend developing for Sunday. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, please feel to contact us at the telephone number 208-233-0834, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.